Again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard. This is a 12 by 16 inch canvas. My glasses are on my face. The wind is up today, so things keep blowing through. I had one of these swipe cards blow into my painting the last time, so I'm going to try and tuck this right here for right now. And I tried to add paint colors with a shovel and then swipe them, and that did not really work the way I wanted to. Yeah, there's the wind I was warning you about. So I'm going to do things in an old-fashioned way, for me. And since I want to have some pink dominate this, I'm going to use more pink than anything else. Neon pink. I may swipe through once with a spatula just to flatten out the colors. I may not. That was open a minute ago. I'm going to use most of the colors that I just finished using, and maybe some gold. I'm going to try not to worry too much about the end, although I say stuff like that all the time and I pretty much never mean it. I think another one, a little bit of that, where, and maybe some more of this. I might have another orange that's similar, but not the same. Do I want to do that? Not really. But I did it anyway. Alright, let's go back to the top. Now I really did want all of these colors to be all the way over to the side, so I think I'm just going to be belligerent and tuck them over to the edge with my finger right now and grab. Oh, look at that. I didn't start my timer and I need to know. Alright, so here's my black enamel. A healthy dose. And here's the color I forgot, which is my neon multi-surface purple. From, well, that was a lot. That was a lot more than I had in mind, in fact. So it's there, for good or bad. I'm going to turn this way. Take my swipe card that's a little bit longer. Move it back and forth, push it back toward the edge, make sure that's covered. I'm going to try not to worry too much about those holes, knowing that it's me and I will just fill them full of color. Probably using the colors right off my edge catcher. Whoa, okay. More cautiously than that. Let's move some bottles out of the way so I got some maneuvering room. That'll probably heal itself. I'm just using a number 4 Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula, and I probably could have filled my holes with gold, I'm thinking, or white pearl. I call it white pearl, but it's white metallic. I am actually looking at this. As much as I like it, I am strongly considering adding some gold at the top right now, after I finish filling my holes, and re-swiping. Because it's cool, but it's not really floating my boat enough. And I've wanted to try that for a while anyway, and there's plenty of black enamel up there. It doesn't seem to have carried down through. And it definitely got some cells going on, but I don't want to torch yet. So this must be a fix-it all day. So what I really need to do is probably cut a little swipe card. Come on off. It probably won't make a darn bit of difference in a minute. I am going to assume got something that looks like a bug. Probably is too. Funny you saw that. I didn't. They're sneaky buggers. That's why they're called bugs. Yeah, that made sense. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to see if there's enough paint on there to send it down. And maybe then to send it back. Just to adjust the strange little marks. Fixing a swipe gone wrong. Another one! That's okay, we'll figure it out. I got some really cool cells, and I do have waves of paint, which are looking kind of neat, actually. These cells down here are wonderful. I really like this color. And I'm going to use some gold. I should just rinse that swipe card off. And I'm going to grab a pair of scissors that were right here. Yep, right there. I'm going to grab myself, I'm going to cut a card. I'm going to make it a little bit less of a point right there on that corner. And I'm going to grab another container to scrape my scribblings off into. As soon as I start with the card sort of flat with that rounded part, then I lift it up and I'm just dragging an edge. I don't know if it's a bug or just a dark spot. Either way, it's got to go. I've decided that gold can go up. And anywhere that I see something that looks like canvas can go away. And since I'm in this already, I'm definitely thinking I might pull out the enamel and put it on the other end of this canvas just to see what happens. Because I can. Hey, that's the name of my first book, and you can find it next to my second book on the Amazon link under the link tree that's under Show More under the video, if you're curious. And all kinds of other cool stuff there too. So I like that way more than I thought I was going to when I was getting stuck with what I had. Do I really want to go down to that other end? Kind of do. Alright, let's do it. Let's just do it. I just put that card down. It blended in with everything. It just went away. Alright, so I guess what I'm going to do is drag some of that gold up. So it matches the other side. This is reminiscent of some other things that I've done recently, for sure. Got to make sure to lift that card up. If the paint is heavy, it will heal. Can't worry about any anomalous colors doing strange things because there's some great colors in here. And the accidental nature of this whole process is what makes it interesting. I say that and then I get black along my edge and I'm not happy. So I've got paint that I can use. I'm going to try and have a look at this sideways. I might be inclined to put a little bit more gold up here because I can. Just touch it and drag it a little bit. Make it more cohesive. I think that looks pretty cool. I like it. It doesn't have all that black at the top, but that's okay. That makes it really sort of gradiated. I've got paint color seeds on my edges. I'm going to say, if you share my videos, you help me out. If you're interested in supporting the studio, there's an exhibition video on every end screen of every video that will share with you not just the exhibition video, but the prizes for the monthly drawing. And if you want to be included in the monthly drawing, you can find the PayPal or Patreon icons either on my channel header or under the link tree, which is, like I said, right underneath the video under Show More. You've got to click that Show More or you won't see it most times. I have my email address, and if you want to buy a painting, you just have to give me the hashtag and the number that you will find in the description, in the title, rather. Yeah, the description has the paint pouring recipe. You can find on my channel. I'm sorry, I'm trying to do two things at once and it's not working today. You can find 1,360 videos organized by genre. Not sure I like that end. I should have left it black. That's okay. I can always fix it again. So I'm just taking the paint that came off and putting it right back on the edge and then tapping my finger in it. The bottom is orange, which is working okay. I might cover the top back up with black again. I wasn't thinking about it when I did it, but it's not a hard thing to do, especially after you guys are gone. So, thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the wonderful comments you leave me. Thank you for the donations that have kept me painting all this time. I appreciate you guys like you wouldn't believe, and I love you dearly. So I hope you keep coming back for more. There's a video or two. There's two most days. And I've got a crib sheet, and I should read it. Teespring Clothing underneath the video has all over print leggings and all over print t-shirts, and if you shop there, it helps me out. If you're looking for a Facebook group, you can find Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, 3 of them on Facebook. The first one is Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation, and I do post a video there. I need some different color than the color I'm putting on the side of my canvas because it's not good. But like I said, I can do that later. Alright, so I'm going to torch to release the bubbles caught in the paint. And before I do that, I'm probably going to drag. Do I want to? I'm going to look for that little piece of... You know what? I like that little loop. But you've heard me say stuff like that before and then things disappear, I know. Alright. Looking for any miscellaneous canvas. I got some great cells. I got some beautiful colors. Pretty happy with how this turned out, in spite of the fact that it still didn't go exactly like I planned. I got to experiment, and you were here, and thank you guys for being here. There's 87,000 of you, pretty close, if not exactly. Under or over by less than 100. And love you guys dearly. I think I said that. I hope you stop again tomorrow. And shop my Amazon link if you'd like, at no added cost to you, and it helps support the studio creating videos. Look under the link tree for my website if you want to give me a nice Google business review, or check out my older posts on my pixels.com Fine Art America, where you can find all kinds of stuff, like 1,400 items minimum. I'm going to be spending a few minutes fixing my edges, so there's no canvas showing. And I've got another color right there. I'm going to put it in. And hopefully, yeah, that'll blend. Just with a tap or two. I love you guys. That's the third time. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard saying, I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Maybe anon.